Hey guys, Sam and I are going to a hotel tonight, so I thought I would vlog my day because we have a little bit of stuff planned. I'm really excited. So first I need to straighten my hair. I washed it last night so it's curly. I'm gonna do my makeup, I've got to pack, I've got to edit my videos ready for like to upload them like while I'm gone. So yeah, we're gonna do that together. The first thing I'm gonna do is straighten my hair, and then I will be back. Okay, so I have done my makeup now. I just need to go inside. I'm about to leave in like 20 minutes. All I've got to do is pack my bag and yeah, I'm pretty much done. So yeah, I'll take you inside, show you what I'm packing, what I'm taking and stuff. Yeah, so I'll go do that now. Okay, so I have some pajamas, I've got my makeup, like mascara, lash glue and stuff, just stuff in case I need to touch up. I have my skincare. I've got some bath bombs, bubble bath and stuff because I asked for a room with a bath. I don't know if I'll have one, but anyway. And I also got some bathers because I think we're going to the pool tomorrow. And then I've got like spare undies and change of undies, toothbrush, all that. That's already all packed in here. And then the only other thing I'll need now is like a phone charger. So I'm good to go. We just got to our hotel. It is so nice. How do you turn it? Oh, okay, so this is our bathroom. We have a nice little bath, which is good because I bought my bath bomb and stuff. The view is so pretty. Got this cute little kitchen area, little TV. And then like this is the view. Oh, hang on, how do you open it? Sam, I don't know how to open the thing. Can you? Surely. Oh. It's raining at the moment, but it's so pretty. Oh, cool. Look at it. Like, that is just so nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Ugh. Hopefully the rain like stops soon so we can go sit out there and stuff. And you come up here. The bathroom. Oh, this is pretty. What's in there? Oh, is that just like a wardrobe? That is so cool. Say hello.
Hi.
Wow, this is so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, fan maybe? Oh.
It says light on though.
Oh, weird. Oh, there you go. Cool. Alright, so let's go get some snacks. We just went and got some snacks. I got a vanilla milkshake. Just got some snacks for tonight, and we also got a donut each. So probably just gonna eat them and chill for a bit. So yeah. So me and I just had a shower and we're gonna go get tea now. I'm gonna get some Billy's burgers. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Yeah. Cool. We're gonna bring it back and eat it in the room like so that we can watch some TV and enjoy our nice view. So we're gonna go now, get tea, bring it back, and then I'll show you guys what we got. We just went and got tea and I'm in my jammies now. And I'll show you what we got. I'm so excited. We got some chips, some buffalo wings, some jalapeno poppers, and we got a burger each as well. So yum. So we're gonna eat this now. We're gonna watch some Netflix. So yeah. Yeah. Sam and I are about to have a bath now. We're just running a bath. It's so nice. And look, there's a heater in the bathroom. It's so warm and so nice. I just washed my face and I used the Lush Dark Angels cleanser. Sam and I are going to do a face mask. This is the Lush Mask of Magnanimity. I bought a bath bomb. I can't remember what it's called. Just like this purple one. And then I also bought like, I think this is a strawberry bath milk or something. So I'm going to use those. I'm really excited. And I went to Lush today and bought the Therapy massage bar. So I'm so excited. We're gonna go do that now. So we had our bath and I think we're gonna go to bed now, watch a movie. What do you think? Watch a movie?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're probably gonna do that. That's probably where I'm gonna leave like tonight. The vlog for tonight. Tomorrow we're gonna go out for breakfast and hopefully go for like a swim and stuff, so I'll vlog that as well. But feel like this will be all for tonight because we're not going to do anything else now apart from just watch a movie. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. The next morning now. It's just so beautiful out here. Let's see him. Huh?
Film me.
Oh. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. I had such a nice sleep, did you? We went and got some eggs Benedict. The first place we went didn't have what I wanted. So I was like, we'll go get eggs Benedict. But I got this juice and it kind of tastes rank. Like beer or something, so I don't really like it. But I'm about to try that. Hey guys, I didn't get a chance to finish my vlog, so I'm finishing it now. I had the most hectic day after, I don't even know where we left off, to be honest. So Sam and I went to Savoy Day Spa after breakfast. It was so nice there. It's $35 to go in the pool and you can go in for as long as you want. I wanted to book in for some treatments, but they didn't have any available. Like, I had a look whenever I booked a hotel and they didn't have any like spots available, which was fine because it was like short notice. So when I went there today, I booked in for Sam and I to go next week. Well, this week now, but yeah, so Sam and I are gonna go get some treatments this week. So yeah, we just went for a swim, went in the spa, sauna, all that stuff, and then after that we got I went to this new place and it was called Coco, I think, which was like a drink place, and then we got some Zambro. The reason I didn't vlog any of this was because it was raining and we were like super rushed because we were running to meet his mom, and yeah. But anyway, then she took me home and then I had a nap because we had a big day. And then my driving instructor called me and said, hey, because I was meant to have my driving lesson on, my driving test on Thursday, and I didn't want to tell any of you guys because I wanted to keep it like a surprise, so that like when I got it, or if I get it, I could like tell you, and if I didn't, like I wouldn't have to, like I could just keep it a surprise until I actually got it, if you know what I mean. But anyway, that's fine because I missed my upload tonight because she called me and I wasn't like, you know, I was expecting to have like a couple days left, so I was like, oh my god, I need to go practice my parking and stuff. So I went and practiced my parking and all that, so that's why I didn't have a new YouTube video up tonight, which I feel really, really bad about. But I know that you guys understand. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now. I got Tilly a new harness, $150 one, so hopefully this one works and she can't chew through it. But yeah, I'm gonna go get her, bring her into bed, and we're gonna go to bed because I have a big day tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had the nicest time away with Sam. All the places we went were so good and so nice, and yeah, I'm just feeling super refreshed and really appreciative of life and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!